Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete messages from iCloud. Alright, so first stop, go ahead over to settings, tap on it, now tap on your iCloud account. Now go ahead over to iCloud right here. Now in this section, go ahead over to messages under save to iCloud. And once that's done, make sure that use on this phone is enabled. So why is that? Because when you go ahead and delete the message directly from the messages app, okay, while this one is turned on, it will automatically delete it or moves it to iCloud and the message to all of your Apple devices instantly. Okay, again, make sure that this one is enabled. Now go ahead and open up your messaging app. And then once you're in here, just swipe right and then go ahead and tap on delete, delete. And after that, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on edit. Now tap on show recently deleted. And then in here, just basically delete it all if you want to. All right, tap on delete. And then once that's done, again, once you've deleted the messages directly from the messages app that has messages on iCloud turned on, make sure that this one is turned on as well and you don't have that pop up. Again, it will then remove the messages from your iCloud and other Apple devices as it'll stay synced. So whatever messages you see right here currently will be reflected to the other phones as well, and as well as your iCloud. All right, that is how you delete the messages from iCloud. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.